this is stupid. There's got to be a better way. Hello, welcome to Topper Machine. I'm Josh Topper. So, as many as you can tell, we tried ice fishing. We've been fishing for a couple of years, ice fishing, my wife and I, for a few years now, and this auger works great. It really does. Don't get me wrong. It works great, but it could be better. So, I've already made a drill adapter for it, which is right here, but I didn't do a video on it. And the problem with this one, you put it in there and you put your drill on it, if you let off the trigger too quick on your cordless drill, sometimes they'll unchuck. And because this doesn't have anything to stop it, you could lose your auger right through the hole. So, we're going to make one that has a plate on it, basically, a free-floating plate. We're going to make it out of 1/4 inch polycarbonate that I have here, so it'll be see-through, and make it a little bit longer. So we'll get over to the lathe and we'll start turning on this thing. We have our basic shape turned out. Get it in there where you can see. This slides into the auger. This is just a step. Our polycarbonate plate sheet will ride here, and then I'm going to thread this right here for a nut, so that we can just have a nut on there to stop it, and then this will get milled with 3 flats on it for in the drill truck. So let's get this in the lathe and thread that. The main part of it. I'll get it in close so you can see. I milled 3 flats on it for chucking. How well you can see that. Threaded. The nut will just go on there and stop. That'll keep the piece from coming off. Piece of Lexan when we cut it. And then it's drilled for the cross hole to go into the auger, to mate into the auger. So, not much to it. So let's get going on that Lexan. We're going to cut that into a 7-inch circle. And so I'll lay it out We're going to drill a hole through it, and then we're going to get it up on the lathe and turn the circle. So here it is, the drill adapter. Works pretty good. The polycarbonate's bigger than the hole, so when it drops, it's going to catch if it ever comes unchucked, or if you lose your grip. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. My dad's been using one for quite some time, and he bought one off the shelf, a little cheapy. It didn't have the plate, the catcher, and he nearly lost one, so he made his own. And I wanted to make my own because they don't come long enough. You got to buy an extension to go with it and all that, and having a longer one works for me so much better. You don't have to bend over so far, and when you get into 3 feet of ice, I mean, you're right down there. So for those of you that don't know what ice fishing is, it's a terrible, awful form of fishing. As you know, I hate winter. I hate being cold. I hate fighting with the snow. I just hate it. And with ice fishing, you go out there, you drill a little bitty hole, and you sit on a bucket all day, and you sit there with a little fishing rod about this long, and you sit there and jig and try to catch a fish. And there's also these things called tip-ups, where you put a minnow on a hook, and it's got a flag, and you put it down in the hole, and you let enough line out so your minnow can swim around. And when a big fish gets on it, pulls the line in it, flips the flag up, tip-up. And last year we bought a pretty nice ice shack, got a heater in there, so you know, it's a little more enjoyable. And this way, having this drill adapter, I'm not going to get so hot drilling holes as I did with hand cranking. So it just means I'm going to have to consume way more beer to stay warm. Yeah, I guess that's a bonus. Makes winter a little more enjoyable. That's how you get through it. Lots of alcohol. That's a joke, sorta. Anyway, you want to see more of this stuff and follow us, you can like us on Facebook at Machine LLC. Visit our website, www.toppermachine.com, and subscribe to our channel. Stay with us and see what's next. There's going to be a bunch more coming. Don't know what yet. I know I got a few jobs here that are kind of sensitive, so I can show just a little of it. I can't show the whole job, but one of them is going to be on our big Monarch. So stay tuned. So until next time, get out in the shop and get it done right the first time.